Hello and welcome to my next video. In this video, we'll be calculating the number of moles of copper that will be deposited on passing 8 faradays of electricity through a solution of copper 2 salt. And it's a wire question. So to solve this problem, the first thing to do is to write the ionic equation for copper. So in the ionic equation, copper aqueous 2 plus will be gaining 2 electrons, right? And then these 2 electrons will then give us copper solid, right? So now this, according to this electrolysis, these 2 electrons now is equivalent to 2 faradays, and this one will give you 1 mole of copper, right? So balancing this equation, writing it and balancing it is very, very important, because it will help you to know the total number of faradays that you are working with. In this case now, you can see that when aqueous copper is balanced with 2 electrons, it gives us solid copper, right? Then now, with that 2 electrons that copper gains, it will gain 2 faradays equivalent to it. And then that will be equivalent to what? 1 mole. Now, if this is complete, then the next thing to do now is to relate the question to the number of moles that we'll be looking for, because they say we should do what? We should find the moles of copper that will be deposited on passing 8 faradays of electricity, right? So now this question means 2 faradays was passed here and we got 1 mole based on this equation. So the question they are asking is, if 8 faradays of electricity was passed, what is the number of moles? Right? So we have X. Now remember our ways of solving these things. If 2 faradays gives us 1 mole, so the question is 8 faradays, how many moles are we going to get? X. So if we cross multiply here, we have X times 2 faradays. So we have 2 faradays X is equals to 1 mole times 8 faradays. So it will give you 1 mole times 8 faradays, right? Okay, so since we are looking for X, we divide both sides by 2 faradays. So we have 2 faradays here, divide both sides by 2 faradays, and it's equals to 1 mole times 8 faradays, divide both sides by what? 2 faradays. So this will cancel this. Our X will be equals to what? 1 mole. Faraday will cancel Faraday. 2 here is 1. 2 here is what? 4. So we have 1 mole times 4, right? So our X will be equals to what? 4 moles. Therefore, 8 faradays of electricity will give us what? 4 moles when passed through a solution of copper 2 salts, right? So this is how you draw your conclusion in this calculation. All right, we'll wrap it up here. I'll see you in another video. Bye for now.